If you're wondering how you can unblock a phone number on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you the step-by-step method on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the phone app, then tap on it. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of blocked contacts. Just tap on it. Now from here, just select the contact which you have blocked. Now to unblock the contact, just scroll down and select Unblock. And once you do that, you will unblock the selected contact on your iPhone. Just like that. Now this is the first method to unblock your contacts. For the second method, just open the phone app, then go to the contact section. And from here, just look for the contact which you have blocked. And from here, just swipe down and select Unblock Contact. And this is how you can unblock phone numbers on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.